Welcome back to Recreational Garage. In this video, we're continuing to work on the upper control arm mounts for the rear end in this car. We have the inner plates pretty well figured out and tacked into place for the upper bar. Now we have to work on these outer plates, get them started to figure out, make sure that they fit really well, and then we'll start working on the lower bar for those. It's really cold this week. I don't know how much work will get done, but let's get to it and see how far we can get. All right, made some pretty good progress this week. We got the outer plates tacked on to this upper bar for our lower control arm mounts. They're looking pretty good. We started working on figuring out the lower bar. Now these are going to have to come in and have a bend up so that it comes across there and gives us clearance for the drive shaft. I'm using just a straight bar to make sure everything's in line and looking pretty good. So once we get that back in the car, take some more measurements, make sure our lower bar is looking good and doesn't need to move, then I can use that information to order up a couple of bends. And then once those bends come in, we can start tacking that together, and then we can box in these boxes on the backside and really just reinforce the whole thing. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.